केसीए प्रेसिडेंट वेंकटेश प्रसाद हमारे साथ हैं। इनके बहुत सारे परिचय हो सकते हैं, लेकिन इस वक्त पे सबसे मौजूद यही परिचय है। पहले तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तमाम आरसीबी फैंस की तरफ से। मैं स्पेसिफिकली आपको कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप चिन्नास्वामी स्टेडियम में क्रिकेट मैचेस वापस लेकर आए। बहुत सारी बातें, अफवाहें चल रही थी, देयर वर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन द मीडिया कि नहीं आएगा, वो राजस्थान में देख रहे हैं, पुणे में देख रहे हैं, रायपुर जा रहे हैं। ऑब्वियसली रायपुर में गेम्स आए हैं, बट पहले थैंक यू सो मच। और अब थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए कि ये कैसे किया आपने, क्या रही ये प्रोसेस, क्या रहा? बिकॉज जो हुआ वो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं होना चाहिए, बट आप कैसे मेक श्योर करेंगे कि ये ना हो आगे? एंड वांट टू नो दैट होल जर्नी जो पिछले 7-8 महीनों में आपने बताई है इस पूरे के पूरे मामले में।
Look, there's a saying, where there is a will, there is a way.
जी।
So that's exactly what we did. I got a great team with me. And obviously we had to contest the elections at Chinnaswamy Stadium, the Karnataka State Cricket Association ka, elections ho raha tha, and elections was pushed, which was supposed to happen in September. It was pushed to December. And हमारा जो manifesto में, we got a lot of
Yes.
members in our association. So हमारा last 3 साल से इतना अच्छा नहीं चल रहा था cricket, structure ये वो there is not much of focus on the game. So obviously I had to get involved, and I was superbly backed by some legendary cricketers like Javagal Srinath, Anil Kumble, Rahul Dravid. They all were backing me, and I was against a very tough opponent as well.
Yes.
So and the whole focus of contesting the elections and getting getting into the association was to make sure that we bring back cricket.
Yeah.
Because जो भी unfortunate incident हुआ 4th of June
जी।
में, उसके आगे उसके बाद क्रिकेट ही नहीं हुआ था।
जी।
We lost out on Women's World Cup.
Yes.
We lost out on WPL.
Yes.
We lost out on T20 World Cup.
Domestic matches.
Domestic matches, bilateral series.
Yes.
We lost out. So there was a lot of loss in terms of revenue. So and cricket was not going anywhere.
Yes.
Whatever Anil Kumble and Javagal Srinath, when they were the president and secretary of Karnataka State Cricket Association during 2010 to 12, those 3 years, I was a vice president then as well.
जी।
तो जो भी उन लोग किए थे वो 3 साल में, for the academies, for the rural areas of Karnataka, be it Tumkur or Shimoga or Raichur, सभी जगह में academies खोले थे और grounds बनाए थे। सब कुछ was in shambles. So this is where somebody had to bell the cat. Somebody had to take the responsibility, and that's when I stood up, and I was superbly supported by these cricketers. And eventually, the moment we got elected and assumed the office, the moment we finished it, and our next day we started running around meeting the Chief Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Siddaramaiah ji.
Yeah.
And also the Deputy CM and Home Minister Parmeshwar ji. So it all slowly started falling in place, and that's how eventually, after 3 months now, after assuming the office, we have got back cricket, and the inaugural game,
RCB versus SRH
2026 का match, inaugural match हो रहा है Chinnaswamy Stadium में. So RCB is playing 5 matches.
फुल कैपेसिटी होगी स्टेडियम की।
Capacity, and yes, there were a lot of recommendations.
ऑब्वियसली वो आप थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं कि सेफ्टी मेजर्स क्या रहेंगे? क्योंकि वो मैंने बहुत मैचेस कवर किए हैं आरसीबी के बाहर। आरसीबी सीएसके एक ऐसा मैच है, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ लोगों को अगर देखना है कि फैन वॉर क्या होता है, सबसे क्रेजी गेम क्या है, तो डोंट गो टू चेपॉक, गो टू चिन्नास्वामी और देखो कि आरसीबी वर्सेस सीएसके क्या होता है। आई थिंक यू विल वाच, मतलब आप वाच करेंगे इस चीज को।
But Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and when we play a match,
बट वो सारी लड़ाइयाँ एक तरफ है, ये लड़ाई एक तरफ है।
and franchise, when these two franchises play, yes, it is like a war. Obviously, it's a game of cricket.
Yeah.
But for the fans, oh my God, it is a treat.
Yes.
It's a treat for
Yes.
sure.
Yes.
Having said that, yes, they're playing 5 matches, and there's a playoff and the finals as well.
Okay.
Finals is happening because they were the champions last year.
Yes.
Finals is happening in Chinnaswamy, the IPL 2026.
ये बात आप कोलकाता में ना कहें तो बेहतर है, क्योंकि पिछली बार कोलकाता को मैच नहीं मिला फाइनल में। खैर उसकी वजह और थी, बारिश उसकी वजह थी। बट सर, क्या आरसीबी की टीम से भी बात हुई? बीसीसीआई में आपने काफ़ी बात की, बीसीसीआई से भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला, वहाँ से चीज़ें हुई जो आप अभी सेशन में भी बता रहे थे। बट आरसीबी की टीम इसमें कहीं इन्वॉल्व थी, प्लेयर्स इसमें कहीं इन्वॉल्व थे आपकी बातचीत में, कि आपको जानते हो, बातचीत आपसे रही हो पहले की, कि वेंकी भाई क्या कुछ हो रहा है, कैन वी बी लिटिल मोर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अबाउट इट, जब चीज़ें इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी? क्या ऐसी कोई बातचीत आप शेयर कर सकते?
It was inclusive.
Hmm.
It was inclusive, without a doubt.
ओके,
But initially, it was between the dialogue was between KSCA and the government,
ओके,
and KSCA and BCCI. I need to say, both these agencies, both the Karnataka government and the Board of Control for Cricket in India,
जी,
they were extremely supportive of KSA. Once we assumed the office, they were so supportive and they were so positive. They had a lot of confidence in this new committee. They had a lot of faith in us, and they were supporting us through and through. And later on, once we started, building the bridge between the association and the government, and then we slowly involved the franchise as well in our dialogue, and we got them involved. And now, yeah,
आपने बताया,
and now it's everybody. So the government is very, very clear,
या
and they were very supportive. As I say, it's a full house stadium. It is a full house matches.
Crazy.
There is no restriction on crowd,
Hmm.
and we had to do a lot of changes. Yes, bina changes ke, we couldn't have had these matches, so we had to do a lot of changes. We had to widen those gates, which is like
Yeah,
shorter.
yeah.
So we made sure we met a lot of recommendations that was
given by the
put forward to the association.
Hmm.
And yes, of course, there's still a lot more work to do. And I've got great plans. I've got a completely different plan for Chinnaswamy.
मजा
I hope I would be able to do that for my members of Karnataka State Cricket Association, for my cricket fans in Bangalore and Karnataka.
उन्हीं फैंस के लिए मैं जाते जाते आपसे ये कहूंगा कि कोई मैसेज, मतलब इस साल कप नमदू छोड़ के, कैन यू से समथिंग टू द फैंस, आरसीबी फैंस पे? आई नो कि आपका काम उससे बहुत ज़्यादा वाइडर है, इट्स नॉट ओनली केटर टू द आरसीबी फैंस, डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बट उनके लिए कोई मैसेज, बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं मैच का?
Well, I would not like to use that tagline because that belongs to the franchise.
जी,
All I would say is, we are going to throw open the gate, say about 3-4 hours before the game. So there's plenty of time. Take your time to come in. Don't be in a hurry. The games, the gates have been widened. So, and there's a lot of social media messages that we are going to send to the
People around.
public, to the fans, stakeholders, to the fans, cricket fans. So keep watching out for that, and all the directions and everything is going to be told to you in social media, and it's not just from KSCA side, it's from the franchise side as well, and even from the government's handle, social media handle, उधर से भी सबको सभी messages जाता रहेगा, and we want to make sure it's safe and it's secure, and I would definitely love to see the fans enjoy the game than rushing in and creating a chaos.
सोशल मीडिया की सर ने बात करी, सोशल मीडिया पे एक शब्द आजकल बहुत चलता है, #savage। जिसने सैवेज शब्द को सबसे पहले समझना हो वो 1996 की क्लिप जाकर ज़रूर देखे, वेंकटेश प्रसाद डिसमिसिंग आमिर सोहेल। थैंक यू सो मच वेंकी सर, थैंक यू मच, प्लेजर, नाइस टॉकिंग।